Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the world of tacos, and I'll be sharing some tips on how to make the perfect tacos. So, let's dive right in. Tacos are a staple in many cuisines, and they're incredibly versatile. You can fill them with just about anything you like, from proteins like beef, chicken, pork, or fish, to fresh vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. And of course, you can't forget the delicious toppings like sour cream, guacamole, and salsa. Now, let's talk about the key to making the perfect tacos, the tortilla. The tortilla is the foundation of your taco, so it's important to choose the right one. Corn tortillas are a classic choice, but if you're looking for something a bit different, you can try flour tortillas or even tortillas made from cauliflower or sweet potatoes. When it comes to filling your tacos, the possibilities are endless. You can go for a classic beef taco, a spicy chicken taco, or a flavorful pork taco. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try a taco made with fish or seafood. Now, let's talk about the toppings. The beauty of tacos is that you can top them with whatever you like. If you're looking for a healthier option, you can top your tacos with fresh vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. If you're feeling indulgent, you can top them with sour cream, guacamole, and salsa. And finally, let's talk about the sides. Tacos are often served with a side of rice and beans, but if you're looking for something a bit different, you can try a side of elote or Mexican street corn. So there you have it, folks. A quick guide to making the perfect tacos. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!